New on 4, firefighters and paramedics are taking extra precautions to protect themselves and the public from the spread of COVID-19. ABC4's Jason Wynn is live at Salt Lake City Fire Station number 14 in Glendale with more on this story. Jason?
Hey, good evening, Rick. Now, if somebody calls asking for help dealing with respiratory issues, dispatchers are going to ask them a line of questions. And depending on that answer will depend on how these first responders respond to that call. Don't be shocked if first responders show up to your door looking like this while dealing with respiratory calls.
This isn't necessarily an indication that we're diagnosing you with anything. This is because we're going to serve a lot of members of the public in the same day.
Unified Fire Authority and Salt Lake City Fire Department unveiled the new protocols dealing with respiratory issues like COVID-19 on Thursday.
Most of these are spread by respiratory particulates.
To make sure first responders don't become carriers of COVID-19, dispatchers will ask 4 main questions when dealing with respiratory calls.
Do you have shortness of breath? Do you have a fever? And do you have a persistent cough? And how long has this all been going on?
If a patient answers yes to any of those questions, a dispatcher will ask about exposure to COVID-19.
So if they're hearing that they have a fever, coughing, and those types of, the same things that the government's been presenting us with symptom-wise, those will be identified just to alert our crews to be attentive that this may be a potential case.
A paramedic with this gear on will establish initial care and stay with the patient until the hospital.
We carefully remove those precaution layers and then we dispose of that stuff appropriately. Then we decontaminate ourselves.
Ambulances used to transport infectious patients will be thoroughly cleaned after each call. Department administrators will follow up with hospitals to find out if the patient contracted COVID-19 or another disease. That will decide the time spent in quarantine. Now, both departments have canceled public engagement events, things like tours of the stations, and Salt Lake City Fire Department telling us that they are no longer allowing the public inside their fire stations to make sure that their firefighters and paramedics remain safe so that they can answer the call. I'm Jason Wynn in Salt Lake City, ABC4 News.